Now, currencies, US dollar, it's come back off a bit today, but still holding the pattern. I'm still looking for this final fifth of this wave one up before we get the two back in the US dollar. And off this four, I've got an A down, B back, and this looks like a 1-2 to the upside setup. We need to take out 95.74. I really don't want to see the US dollar below 94.75, although the invalidation 94.45. So if I now come across and look at the euro, so let's start with the daily chart. I've got a 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for this fifth down to complete the move in the euro for its one before we get the two back. And then coming down to the 4-hour chart, there's the 4, there's that initial move down, hit the 618 back, and I think we've got a 1-2 developing of the 3 of this 5. Still short 1/3 of a position from right up here in the euro. I'm watching this support region, because if the 1 is already in down here, we've got an A up, this is all going to be a B back. I still expect it to come down deeper into this support zone, the 618 or the 764 more likely at the bottom end of it at 114.01. And then again, if I just take that to the hourly chart here, so I've got a 1, 2. I think this is another 1, and again we're up at the 618. We can still pop up to the 764. Then I'm looking for this to come down further. And it's a question then of, do we hold in this support region, or do we push straight on down for the micro 3 and then 4, 5? And if we do that, I'm going to look for a place to add a little bit back on the short side in the euro. Cable, I think we've got the 1 in, A, B, and we're pushing up in this C of A next. Then we get the B, C. So we've pushed up a little bit more today. We've double topped with this here. I'm looking for it to push on through up to the 38.2 fib next, then the B, C. So no change in cable. US dollar, Japanese yen, again, no change. I'm looking for this 2 to be confirmed as in. I'm still long this pair, and I'm looking for it to take out at 111.82 and then push on up to, excuse me, let's bring this down, this 115.06 next for the 3 in the larger diagonal in US dollar, Japanese yen. Australian dollar, I'm kind of leaving this alone at the moment. I want to see the pattern complete. And it's made another low, it's invalidated the diagonal, so I haven't redone the counts on the larger time frame. I will do so after we get the confirmed local low in, so that I can start to work out what that means. In the meantime, nothing to trade here.